Hey there! Today I have another Amazon Prime Wardrobe unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, it's a free service for Amazon Prime members where you get to try before you buy. So you basically get to fill your cart with up to 8 items, then you request them to send them to you, and you don't have to pay for them until you check out. And I know there's another service where you can actually have a stylist select the items for you, but this is the one where you actually just choose your own items. I haven't tried that other one yet. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Wow, so this time I got a really big box from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. Sometimes they send it to me in a big plastic bag, and other times I've had it in several boxes or several packages. But yeah, this is a big box and it's really beat up. One thing though, with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, you are supposed to send back your items either in the same box or package that it comes in, or I guess you can send it in your own package. But they do provide you with a prepaid mailer, which is a UPS mailer. Everything comes UPS. Yeah, I don't know what happened to this thing, but it's super beat up. Alright, okay. So here's what my box looks like inside. It's kind of too big a box for what the items are. And then everything just comes in plastic. Okay, so in Amazon Prime Wardrobe, you always get a little packet with all the items that you purchased, along with a mailing sticker to send things back. And for this box, I selected all Amazon brands, Lark Row, Daily Ritual, and then I saw they had a new brand called Goodthreads, and based on looking at the type of items, it reminded me a lot of Madewell, so I thought I'd give it a try, because it's like Madewell, but it seems a lot cheaper. But anyway, here's all of the items that I selected this time. A lot of sweaters and more like fall appropriate stuff, even though I live in Hawaii. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the plastic, then we'll try everything on, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so now I've tried everything on, and now let's go over everything. And actually this time I think I found some pretty cute things, so we'll see. It might be a little difficult deciding. Okay, so the first item that I got was this sweater. And this is by the Amazon brand Goodthreads, and it's the first time that I'm trying this brand. And this is the Goodthreads Women's Cotton Shaker Stitch Deep V-Neck Sweater, and I got it in a size small, and it's 36.40. They actually had it in a lot of different colors, and originally I wanted to buy like just a solid off-white one, but all of those weren't available. So it must be a very popular style. It is really nice. It's a heavier knit. It's like a nice chunky sweater, and it's 100% cotton. I actually really like this, but for me, since I'm only 5'1", I think it's a little too long. It's supposed to be oversized, so I guess you could size down. This is a small. Maybe I should be an extra small. So yeah, I actually really like this sweater. I thought it was really cute. They do have the same sweater in different styles, and maybe there's one that's not so long that I could try. But I noticed right now on their website, all those styles were not available in my size. I like the look of this chunkier knit sweater. And even though, you know, it is kind of a heavier sweater, since it's 100% cotton, I think it would still work for my climate, which is warmer, but it could also work for colder climates too. But anyway, yeah, so this one is cute, but for me, I think it's just too long. Okay, next, I got this black sweater. And this is just a very basic sweater, and it's the Lark Row, which is another Amazon brand, women's short sleeve crew neck Pima cotton sweater, and it was $20, and it actually has 4.5 stars and 64 ratings. So this is not a very expensive sweater. It's very lightweight, super soft actually. I mean, and just something, I think this would be nice if you would layer it. Like it would be the perfect thing to like wear, like if you had a suit or something like that. I don't wear suits, but if you did, or you know, like under a blazer and with some jeans, I think it'd be really cute. And yeah, just $20, very basic, and it's Pima cotton. Nice. The only thing is I did get the small. The small fit me perfect, but it does say machine washable, but I'm thinking 100% cotton, this thing is going to shrink. So I'm not sure if maybe I should have just sized up and gotten a medium. But yeah, we'll see. I like it though. Okay, and next, I got this cardigan. Here it is. And I I just actually love this cardigan. This color, I've been searching for a burgundy colored cardigan, and this one is just really nice. It's the Daily Ritual, which is another Amazon brand, and I actually really like this brand. And it's the women's fine gauge stretch cardigan sweater, and it's $34. So I think that's a really good price for this sweater. It's like super soft and comfortable and fine gauge. So the if you look at the stitching, it's very tightly woven. So hopefully that means it won't snag as easily. And yeah, it's more I would say a mid to lightweight sweater. It's not too heavy. It is kind of oversized, and so it's a little bulky, but I do like it. I think this one is a keeper for me at $34. They did have a lot of different colors, but I got the burgundy color. So this one actually, it has 21 ratings and 5 stars. And this one is 72% viscose, 28% polyester, and machine wash. So yeah, I think it's just a really nice cardigan for the money, $34. Okay, next. I got this sweater. Yeah. Actually, I kind of like this sweater. It doesn't show very nicely, I know, but it's by Daily Ritual. This is the women's cozy boucle zip front cardigan sweater, and it's $44. And this one, it kind of looks like the Mr. Rogers sweater. I swear, it kind of does. But it's just really comfortable. It's a little bit thicker, and yeah, it's just like a cozy thick sweater. And I know this color probably doesn't look very good. It's supposed to be camel, but it does look kind of like a light brown. That's what I would say. And it does have a lot of other colors, but somehow I selected this one. I kind of like it though. Actually, when I tried it on, when I pulled it out of the bag, I'm like, oh, what did I choose? But when I tried it on, I thought it actually looked pretty nice. It does come in some other colors too, a lot of other colors actually. And it's 40% nylon, 33% acrylic, 25% wool, and 2% spandex, machine washable. But yeah, this is actually a very cozy sweater jacket. I mean, maybe in Hawaii it is a little too warm, but I'm thinking when I go to the mainland to visit my daughters, and it's a little cooler, it would be nice to have like a jacket like this that you can just throw on. Yeah, I kind of like this, so I'm debating. I'm not too sure about the color. Maybe I should just get a different color, like a black. That'd be a little bit more basic. They also had like a charcoal gray or a heather gray. So, and they had a kind of a rose. So we'll see. But yeah, I kind of like this sweater. I like the idea of the sweater. And didn't the Mr. Rogers movie just come out? So maybe this will be in style. Okay, next. I got this t-shirt. And this is also by Goodthreads. And it's the women's vintage cotton pocket V-neck t-shirt. And it was $17.43, and I got it in a size small. And they had a ton of different colors. And this is, oh, it's 100% cotton. But I just thought this was kind of a nice t-shirt. And this one is kind of a muted animal print. So if you want to get an animal print t-shirt and you don't want anything too crazy, I think this is a good one. Because I like that it's kind of more, it's almost a faded look, and it's a very small print. And I got it in a size small, and I thought that fit nicely. And in the try-on, I wear it with these jeans that aren't very high-rise, so they actually do give me more of a muffin top. But the way this t-shirt was cut, I thought it was actually pretty flattering, and it also covered up the muffin top, so it wasn't too clingy or anything, yet it was still kind of like, see how the shape is, it's kind of curved in like that, so it's not too straight, so it's a little more flattering. So I actually really like this, and I think this is a keeper. And it was, did I say $17.43, which isn't like super cheap for a t-shirt, but it's a nice t-shirt. And 100% cotton. We'll see how this washes and wears, but it's always good to have like these kind of t-shirts for layering too. Okay, and next I got this shirt. And this is also by Goodthreads, and it's the women's viscose short sleeve shirt, and it's $30, and I got it in a size small, and this is very oversized. So it does say viscose. In the description it says 100% rayon, but I checked the tag, it says viscose. So I don't think viscose and rayon are exactly the same thing, because you can kind of tell the material does feel a little more silky. But yeah, we'll see. I do really like this print. I think it's cute, and it looks really cute with jeans. You could probably just wear it out, maybe with skinnies, almost like a tunic, or you could tie it, and that would be cute. You could wear it over like a tank top, and you know, like it's an overshirt. So there's possibilities with this. So we'll see. And this one was $30. Okay, and next I got these jeans. Here's the back. And these are by Goodthreads, and these are the women's high-rise skinny jeans, and they were $40, and I got them in the size 28-6 short. So they did have short, regular, and long. It says the inseam for the short is 27 inches, the regular inseam is 29 inches, and the long is 31. So for me, even the short was a little long, so I ended up rolling it. But you know, I think that looks okay, you know, if you roll your jeans. And I got the indigo blue overdyed, so you'll see that it is just a very dark denim. It doesn't have any fading or distressing or anything. And I'm looking for stuff that I could wear, you know, since I'm not working at my old casual work environment. It's like a more business casual. You can wear jeans, but just not really faded jeans. So like a dark wash like this would be perfect. And these were actually, I thought, really comfortable. The only thing that was like, these had they were so high. I don't think I've ever had any jeans this high rise. It's a 10 and 5-inch high rise. That fits like over my belly button. So, I mean, they were okay. But they were just so high rise. I don't know, what do you think? I'm debating keeping these actually, but we'll see. I'm not sure. It's 88% cotton, 8% polyester, 4% elasticine, machine wash. These are pretty stretchy. The denim it's not like a thick heavy denim, it's more of a thinner lightweight denim. But I don't know, so we'll see. I just wanted to try them. Okay, and lastly, I got these pull-on black jeans, and these are also by Goodthreads, the women's pull-on jean. And these were $35, and I got them in the size 6 short. And these are 61.5% cotton, 32% polyester, 6.5% elasticine, and they're machine washable. So yeah, these were just a pull-on jean. I thought they were really comfortable, and they have a very nice thick waistband. So I think this is nice. It's not going to shift around or anything. It's sewed in well, and of course the material is pretty stretchy because it's kind of like a jegging. It doesn't have a real pocket in the front, and sometimes that's better because then you don't have anything sticking out, like if you wear like a tunic top over it. So yeah, these are actually really nice pull-on black jeans. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing this month, and you know, I think I got some pretty cute things. I'm pretty happy with a lot of it, so it's going to be a little tough deciding what I'm going to keep this time. I probably will be for sure keeping this burgundy sweater though. That's a for sure keeper, and maybe that t-shirt for sure, and we'll see about the rest. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I'm going to call one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. Okay, battery low, guys. Come on, who wants to help me say goodbye? I think it's going to be the easy one, Kaya. Come, Kaya. And here she is, Miss Kaya. And she is so sweet and loving, and we just love her. She's a stuffed animal. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.